Alright, we're going to try us a video today. Got a lock here. Don't have a clue what it is. Works good. Let's see, there's the bitting on it. I find it a little difficult. Had some problems with it. But I got some advice recently from Zombie Lock that told me to slow down. And I'm going to try to get it now. Start at the back. But I noticed after I slowed down, I started picking locks a little better. Than I was, because I get excited and I get in a hurry, and then I get frustrated and put a little too much tension on there. And this is one of those locks that I would get frustrated on. 6, 5, 4, 3. But they're all standard pins, but I have more trouble feeling the standard pins. I can feel the serrateds and the spools. They give a lot of feedback, but I don't get that feedback on these standards. And that high, there it is. And that high and low, let's see if we can see that again. That high and low on that pin really works me. But I don't know what kind of lock that is. Looks like somebody tried to grind some pins. I got that off the internet. So it works good. Hope you liked the video. Be safe, be legal. God bless, and happy Valentine's Day.